how to show internet speed in your Netflix account on your mobile phone. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Netflix application. Here in Netflix homepage, okay, now you can select the profile you want to use. So for my example, I use Richard profile. Here in Richard profile, okay, you can see below on the lower right side on your screen, the My Netflix. Okay, you can tap this. Here in My Netflix, okay, on the upper right side on your screen, tap the 3 line. And now the pop-up below are show. And here in pop-up, you can tap the app settings. Here in app settings, below in about section, you can see here the internet speed test. Okay, you can tap this to show the internet speed in your Netflix account. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully show the internet speed on my Netflix account in my mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.